So you're going to go into modules. You're going to scroll down till you find the Gravity Lab and Model Revision on Monday. The assignment's going to look something like this, and you're going to click on the template to put it into Notability, and then you're going to follow the steps. The big thing is make sure you don't forget to complete the model revision on page 3. So you'll click on the 3 little dots and you'll send a copy to Notability. Make sure that you're creating a new note. This is going in your science folder, and it's called Gravity Lab and Model Revision. So we're going to import that into Notability, and then once it's done, we're going to go over to Notability and do this activity. So you're just going to click on this link and open it in Safari. And it's the Gravity Lab, and you're going to create your own universe. So you click on Create Your Own Universe, and then the first thing you need to do is create 2 objects that are about the same size. So you're going to click Gravity and go through, do 2 objects of the same size, and see what happens. Then you're going to reset it, and you're going to create one really big one and one really small one, and you're going to see what bends space-time more. Then you're going to create a medium-sized body and a small body and kind of flick it to start the orbit. So let me show you how to do that. So you might have to practice this. There's my medium-sized body, and then I'm going to have a small body flicked near it, and we're going to see what happens. All right, so now I can see the orbit of that one mass, and it's orbiting. So then if I want to do a second one and have it orbit a little further out, we're going to see if we can get a second one started. So you might have to play with this a little bit because it is tricky, and if it doesn't work the way you want it to, so there's my second orbit. And let me zoom out so you can see this a little bit better. So there you go. I have my 2 orbits, and we can see my two objects, okay? Now, mine are going counterclockwise, just like they do in our solar system. So there's my mini solar system. If you make a mistake and you want to do it again, just hit the reset button and do it again. So you're going to go through the rest of this activity right here, and you're going to answer these questions and just follow the steps. I would say that step 3, 4, and 5, those are a little bit tricky, okay? So you're going to explore and play with that and just answer these questions. Now, on page 3, what you're going to do is you are going to label the sun, the Earth, and Jupiter. You're going to label the moon, and you're going to label Jupiter's moons. Now, I went ahead and I put these in order for you. So that's Io is the one that's closest, then Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto is the one that's furthest away. You need to make sure that you draw in the space-time continuum. Once you have those labeled, you are going to draw arrows to show the gravitational pull of the sun, the Earth, and Jupiter. And I would just put them near the objects and make it so that we can tell which one has more gravity. And we'll be talking about this on Tuesday and going over this assignment. So if you have any questions, just send me an email, but your activity is 3 pages long. And when you're done, you're just going to submit it from Notability and turn it into Canvas. When you're done with your assignment and you have this all finished, you are just going to share it to Canvas and submit your assignment that way. So just make sure that you choose my class in this assignment and you'll be good to go. Email me if you have any questions or problems.